our chocolates are solid chocolate. Our company is about the chocolate. We want people to experience chocolate in a different way. So we don't add cream centers, ganache fillings, any type of nuts or things in the center of the chocolate. It's all about the chocolate being solid, and it's about the chocolate being an experience to enjoy with the different herbs and spices. Spice Rack Chocolates is an unrefined chocolate, and I call it an unrefined chocolate because real chocolate should have a hard snap to it when you bite into it. We don't add any artificial ingredients or anything to make our chocolate soft or to make it smooth. It's naturally occurring in the product. It's a 54% cacao-based dark chocolate that we break into a liquid state, and then we hand grind in different herbs and spices. Once the chocolate is blended with the herbs and spices, we mold it into molds that are already hand painted, and then we box them. We have 14 different flavors. That's all that we make right now. Some of the most popular flavors that we have are grapefruit lavender, which with the grapefruit and the lavender, I grind the lavender when it's still in the bud state. That's an example of the grapefruit lavender. We have a lemon basil. We have a cayenne chili powder, rosemary mint, apple coriander, Thai chilies. So we run the gamut of using all the different spices. We buy all of our spices in the smallest quantity to ensure they're as fresh as can be when they're blended into the chocolate. Our chocolates are available through wholesale for different retail stores, specialty stores, wine shops, and restaurants. You can also go online, visit our website, and purchase the chocolates directly. Actually, most of our business right now is coming from the corporate sector. We do a lot of different types of takeaways for customers, trade show events, customer thank you, referral gifts, as well as cold calling gifts. Our website has some brief information, but on our corporate gifts, I like to custom design things for the different companies. We'll put your logo on the box. We'll actually do some different things with the ribbons. So I like to talk to companies individually and custom design different gifts for them. Spice Rack Chocolates is made in small quantities. I usually work with 1.5 pounds or more of chocolate at a time. Basically, by working in these small quantities, it allows me to control the taste and get the consistency. Herbs, when you're using natural herbs, they taste different from plant to plant, from herb to herb. So I can't have a standard recipe of how we make these chocolates. So each batch has to be tested and done in smaller batches, and that way when they're blended, it all tastes the same consistently month after month when you're ordering the chocolate. Our chocolates are produced in the state of Virginia. They're manufactured here in our production facility in Spotsylvania. The production facility itself has been inspected by the Virginia Department of Agriculture. The state of Virginia has awarded us a Virginia's Finest certificate, which means we're one of the top quality products that is available in the state of Virginia. We tried to design each of the 14 flavors that we have into a layered chocolate experience. So when we talk about having a chocolate experience, I really want you to open the box and to see the chocolates first of all. They're all hand painted with different color-coded cocoa butters, so you know exactly what each flavor is in the box. So it's about looking at the chocolate, then it's about smelling the chocolate. When you first put that whole piece of chocolate in your mouth, you get your first flavor. If we're talking about lemon basil, then you get the lemon flavor first, and you're going to get this fresh lemon zest that's going to come out through the chocolate. This chocolate's not meant to be chewed. It's meant to set in your mouth and almost coat your mouth like a wine would coat your mouth. As the chocolate is coating your mouth, you're picking up the nuances of the lemon. You're picking up some basil in this case, which is a sweet basil. Right now I'm using a basil out of California. So you're getting a sweet basil taste. Once the chocolate's completely dissolved, then you get this nice basil or whatever your second residual flavor is in the chocolate. For cayenne chili powder, you would get this bloom of cayenne in the back of your mouth that kind of goes forward. So you really do get an experience, and you're satisfied with the chocolate you eat. So you can literally eat one piece and then walk away with this nice flavor in your mouth of rosemary or of basil.
For more information about Spice Rack Chocolates, visit us on the web at spicerackchocolates.com.